cream, vanilla, cheesecake, coffee, pure carnivore. Hey compassionate carnivores, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you not one, not two, not three, but 4 simple, delicious ways to make carnivore ice cream. Now, a lot of people have different versions of carnivore. Everyone just does what works best for them. Technically, carnivore is where you eat only animal products. So beef, butter, bacon, eggs, chicken, seafood. But some people like to include pickles, cheese, coffee, even avocados. So you just do what works best for you. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you multiple options. Don't worry, if you are 100% carnivore, the last one that I'm showing is carnivore improved. But some of these have some iffy ingredients in it. I've tried Dr. Kilt's ice cream and it was absolutely delicious. In today's video, I am using Courtney Luna's amazing cookbook, Carnivore in the Kitchen. She shows us 3 ways to make carnivore ice cream: vanilla ice cream, coffee ice cream. I have been wanting to make this coffee one for so long, and even cheesecake ice cream. The first one we are going to be making is the vanilla ice cream out of Courtney Luna's cookbook. You're going to need heavy cream, vanilla. What? That's not vanilla. This is Compassionate Carnivore 100% vanilla chapstick, link in the description below. This is the actual vanilla that you need, vanilla extract. Eggs, that's the 3 ingredients for the vanilla one. You're going to need a blender. We're going to put all of the ingredients in here. For the base, we are taking 1 cup of heavy cream. I'm not saying eat this every single day, but every once in a while, or if you have family coming over, it's a great dessert. This next part, yes, it's raw eggs. Some people get really afraid of that, but I believe it's pastured eggs, or I'll put it on the screen if I'm wrong. But apparently they put the eggs in like warm water so it kills all bacteria and salmonella if you're afraid of that. These are our chicken eggs. We only feed them insects only, no grains. I know exactly where this came from, so I feel safe putting it in. If you're okay with sweetener or like sugar-free vanilla syrups, you could also add that as well. But for this one, we are using 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. It smells good. We'll do a little dash of Redmond salt. If I'm going too fast, don't worry. I'll have the recipe and instructions in the link in the description below. So we have our base all in here. Oh, right. Okay, so Courtney actually shows if you have an ice cream maker, I'll put it down below. But if you don't have an ice cream maker, which I don't, I'm going to use the blender. You see that? How it's like chunky? That's what you want it to be. Then you pop this in the freezer for about a total time of 2 hours. Every 30 minutes, you want to give it a nice stir. And then once it gets to your ice cream consistency, it's done. So we are going to wrap this on aluminum foil because I don't know about you guys, but our freezer has like a little odd smell. No, I don't know. It's not horrible, but I don't want my ice cream. This is our freezer. These are all of our meal prep meatballs. Oh my gosh, they're so delicious. Okay, the next one we're making is the coffee flavored one. I'm so excited to try this one. So the vanilla one is definitely like a little plain, but delicious. So I know this coffee one is going to have so much flavor. I picked up this classic roast coffee. And so you are going to need 1 teaspoon of the instant coffee and then a tiny pinch of salt. So we're going to repeat that again. Katie's telling me that I got the wrong thing and that this isn't instant coffee. So she thinks that it won't taste good. So she said put some of it in my mouth. So I'll try a little bit.
That's the consistency that will go in the ice cream.
No, it's good. I'm pretty sure this is the right one because then it blends it up really good. I think that's gonna taste really good because it's going to be blended. So we're gonna take a cup of heavy cream again. And then the blender's gonna blend it real good, so I think that's fine. Am I missing something? Oh yeah, we need 2 eggs. So we're gonna have to go outside and grab some more eggs, so come along. Katie's scared of chicken.
Why are they chasing me?
Come on.
They're cornering me. Petey!
Thank you, ladies. Okay, we got the goods. Look how beautiful. I know this is from Falcon. You really don't want to get an eggshell in there. Extra protein.
Well, you'll still have the crunch with the coffee.
No, the coffee should get blended. I think it will. We'll see. Katie may have been right. I see all the black dots. I'm just going to keep blending it. But see, now it's like chunky. That's what you want. It looks like Oreo ice cream. The next one we are making is the cheesecake ice cream. So you are going to need 3 ounces of cream cheese, and this is at room temperature. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know how I feel about this one, how this is going to taste. Let me roll up my sleeves. Oh, do you guys like my shirt? Compassionate Carnivore, grateful for every meal, never wasteful. Link in the description below. My sister Katie and I designed it, and we work hard on compassionatecarnivore.store, where we sell 100% natural, tallow-based, handmade products with many benefits. And now we're going to repeat with a cup of whipping cream. And it's a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm actually gonna do the full thing. What could go wrong? It'll make it more. Should I? Nah. Yeah. And now we repeat the same step. I forgot to add my 2 eggs. I don't even know what the eggs do. Oh my gosh. Okay, so look at, if you want to make whipped cream too for the top, you just use heavy cream and you whip it up. This is so bad. I've been sober for like probably months. I would make this all the time. I'd whip it up and I was hooked on it. But whipped cream. Oh my gosh, wait. The cream cheese with the heavy cream, that makes a perfect whipped cream. That's so good. Next time I make carnivore cheesecake, I'm gonna make the top with whipped cream and the heavy cream. I think the 2 eggs is what just makes it liquidy. I wonder if you could substitute the eggs for like actual milk. Carnivore cheesecake ice cream. That's actually the perfect consistency one. Now we're going to clean this out. I should have made the 100% carnivore one first. So I'm just gonna give this a good rinse. This is how you make the carnivore one. You kind of already guessed it. It's just the heavy cream and 2 eggs. It's going to be the consistency of ice cream. Like you're gonna feel it in your mouth, but it doesn't really taste like anything at all in my opinion. Okay, so pretty much the flavor on this one, like I said, you can't really taste it at all. It doesn't taste like anything. It's just that ice cream consistency. Sorry mom. I don't know. I'm scared this is gonna ruin the blender. And I wasted so much paper towel. Wait, it might be good. Okay, that's actually perfect consistency. So I take it back, we're gonna be able to try it for you guys.
She had it plugged in when she started doing it.
What? No, I didn't. What would I do without Katie?
Be electrocuted.
This is what I have left. I'm letting it get a little bit softer. That one's pretty much all gone. And then I scooped it and I put it in the freezer because it melts. But look at that. We got vanilla, coffee, cheesecake, and then the carnivore approved one, which is just the heavy cream and the eggs. For my whipped cream, I'm going to take, I have not much left, so I'm just going to eyeball it, but you could do however much you'd like. And if you're doing strict carnivore, heavy cream is actually pretty bad, but I looked it up. In 1 cup of heavy cream, I think it was 6 carbs. And to stay in ketosis, I believe it's under 20 to 50 carbs. The whipped cream is so simple to make. You just wait until it's not liquidy anymore. Boom. Whipped cream. Carnivore ice cream, vanilla, cheesecake, coffee, pure carnivore. This is what they turned out. I'm going to taste it. I do have whipped cream that I'm going to add to it. I already tried a bite of the coffee one and oh my goodness, it tastes so good. This is the carnivore one, just heavy cream and eggs. It tastes like absolutely nothing. Okay, now the coffee one. Oh my goodness. It tastes like ice cream. It just tastes like pure coffee. Oh, that is so delicious. Now I'm tasting the cream cheese one. I'm a little nervous about this one. That one tastes like absolute nothing. That one didn't taste like anything. This one had vanilla extract. That one tastes like vanilla ice cream. It's very slight hint of vanilla. That is 4 easy ways to make carnivore ice cream. This was so unbelievable easy. It just took a long time to freeze. But yeah, the coffee one is my favorite, and then the vanilla one tastes like a slight vanilla, just a plain ice cream. And then the carnivore one, it didn't taste like anything, but it was really good. Thanks so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, as it really helps me out, and it helps YouTube push my videos out, so it might inspire someone else. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the very best today, and always bye. Peep!